Yeah, look at this setup right here. We've got some tomatoes, we've got some coriander, na yote iko kwa mkebe. So this is a setup that you can try at home. You know, all you need is some plastic karais ama ndo yoyote ya plastic, and then some little bit of soil and you're good to go. Hii 1.5% ya Ruto inataka watu wajipange bana. And for this you don't need a lot of space, as you can see. Kwa a small space you produce a lot of food and variety as well. Meona ndio hiyo pumpkin. Ndio pumpkin namna hiyo. Ndio ako kadogo kana come through. Yeah. As you can see pia kuna giant ako pale. So guys, as long you have plastics in your house, you're good to go. You can have a mobile garden. For any consultancy, sima DM pale pale.